Okay guys, so today I'm coming here to review this Dyson Clean+Wash kind of like wet mop vacuum cleaner. I just want to share some of the cool things about this. So basically most vacuum mops, they basically have tubes going to the trash part or like where they filter out the dirty water, and it gets really kind of nasty and it smells gross on the inside. But this one doesn't. So this one actually keeps all the debris in here, all the dirt in here, so you can actually easily clean it after. It also has a self-cleaning after you put it on the dock, which actually cleans it all out and blows air so that to make sure that it doesn't stink. The interesting thing about this vacuum mop is that it doesn't actually suck up the dirt. It literally just like sticks to this rolling thing on the bottom, and that's where like it takes up all the dirt. But basically you can use this for kind of like wet stuff. Like I put some ranch on the floor, and then you can also use it for like dry debris or dust or anything like that. So we're going to test this out today. Just taking it off the docking, and I just want to show you guys, first of all, it has, you can turn it on here, and then I guess it has 3 sections. It shows how much battery there is over there. And then here you can actually fill up the water. You can put some of those Dyson drops in there as well. Okay, so let's start off with the breadcrumbs. I'm just going to turn it on. Okay, and it moves by itself. It literally just started moving, guys. Okay, so it picked up that much. Now let's bring it back. And you can see it left like a wet spot. It picked up everything else now. It's literally moving by itself. It's so easy. I'm literally just holding it. Okay guys, that is clean. That is amazing actually. Oh, I think it dropped some back here. Okay, now let's go for the ranch. This is gonna be a bit more messy. Oh wow, I mean most of it was gone. Let's go back. Yep, and then let's do the next part. Yep, as you can see, most of it is gone again. Let's go back. Wow, cleaned up all of it. Oh, this is the max. I can actually put it in max. I just had it on the low setting there. Okay, so I'm not sure if you saw that, guys, but as I stopped it, it kind of dropped a little bit of the dirty liquid, so I do have to clean that up after it. But for something that doesn't really suck up the dirt, I think it did a great job. But yeah, I do want to mention, I think this works better on kind of like wet stains, or like, say like you drop a sauce, you drop some milk on the ground. This works great for that. I don't think it's the best vacuum per se for like dry, like dust or something like that. But it definitely works for wet stains, so I like it for that. Okay, so, ooh, it is definitely leaking. Okay, so I just took off the tank, and I just have to be careful not to go like forward with it like this, not to tilt it forward, and just to empty it like this. But once that's out, it's not going to smell anymore, because it does smell a little bit right now. Overall, good vacuum for wet stains. I do want to say it was quite a bit of an effort to actually clean this out. And if I have to do it every time something spills, it's going to be a bit of a hassle. So I would say this is more of a tool for once a week cleaning instead of just a quick spill, because it literally takes quite a bit of time to clean. So if you're looking for a vacuum mop to use once a week in your regular cleaning, or maybe like once every few days, this is a great mop for you. If you're looking for something to do like a quick clean, I recommend using something manual and not machine based. than actually cleaning the thing. So it's actually easy to clean the mat